Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI B.Stat question paper of year 2016. Today we will be solving question number 22. In question number 22 it has been said that we need to find out the number of 3-digit numbers ABC such that we can construct an isosceles triangle with the sides A, B and C. The options are 153, 163, 165 and 183. So we have been given 3-digit number ABC. And we need to construct an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with sides A, B and C. Now if A is, now we know that for a triangle, sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So that will imply that if we add the sides B plus C, that will be greater than A. For isosceles, let B equal to C. So that will imply that twice of B is greater than A, and that will imply that A by 2 is less than B, or we can write that B is greater than A by 2. So now we can do some calculations. Now if we take A equal to 9, that will imply that B can take the values 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is one part. Also another point that we need to remember is that A is never equal to B, or B is never equal to A. Now if we take A equal to 8, that will imply that B will take the values 5, 6, 7 and 8 again. If A is equal to 7, that will imply that B will take the value 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and also 9. Sorry, it cannot take the value 7 since B is, so we have to ignore 7. So yes, 7 cannot be done since A is not equal to B. So like this, if we find out for A equal to 6, then B will be equal to 4, 5, 6 won't be there, 7, 8, 9. A equal to 5 implies B is equal to 3, 4, 5 cannot be there, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here we have got 4 cases. Here we have got 4 cases, here 5 cases, here 5 cases, here 6 cases. Let's add a page over below so that we can solve the further portion. Okay, now we'll write for A equal to 4. If A equal to 4, then B can take the values 3, 4 cannot be there, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If A is equal to 3, then this will come down to B is equal to 2, 3 cannot be there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. A equal to 2 will give us that B is equal to, we cannot write 2, so that will give us 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, for A equal to 1, this will give us B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we are getting 6 cases. Here we are getting 7 cases. Here we are getting 7 cases again, and here finally we will get 8 cases. Therefore, total cases will be equal to 2 into we'll write it as 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8, which will be equal to 52. So therefore the structure will be somewhat like ABB, BAB, or BBA. This is the structure that will come. Obtainable structures. So basically after choosing A and B, for each A and B we'll get 3 different cases. Since now we have 52 cases, therefore total combinations, these are the total cases of AB. Now total different combinations, this one will be equal to 52 and 3 for each, that will give us 156. Now plus there are 9 equilateral triangles. 9 equilateral triangles. So 1 1 for 1 1 1, then 2 2 2 up till 9 9 9. So basically overall number of cases will be equal to 156 plus 9, which will be equal to 165, and which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 22 from the ISI B.Stat question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Isosceles classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.